pull off this side panel. Just gonna move this out of the way. Just kind of reach over the back of it. You can get your hand behind it. Back here. And then you just want to pull it really. That's that. Just clipped in. And there's a screw. Not this one, but this one. Little door. And pull the filter out of one.
It's not wet.
No. And then I like this.
It doesn't even smell.
It's funny because that odor is not. I never smell it on the filter when I take it
Really?
out, but sure enough.
Maybe it's somebody else and the clean filters are just cleaning it? Cleaning the air?
I don't know. But there's this tab in here. You can pull it out.
It's the dirty one?
It doesn't look miserable. I mean, you can see a little discoloration.
This is the one you just took out, right?
Oh, yeah,
It's supposed to be black, or is that mold?
That's charcoal or
Oh.
carbon. Sorry, carbon.
No.
But you see, like that's the original color and the
Yeah.
lighter color.
It's thinner than my AC filters in the house when I take them out.
Oh yeah. So then it goes this way, airflow into the cabin, and this tab is always up here. Drops in, goes on top. I just move the little tab out of the way.
One's on top of the other, or they're
They're stacked.
other stacked?
Yeah. Alright, so they're in. Make sure the tabs are out of the way before you put the door. So it won't get caught. There's this little notch here where it grabs.
Mm-hmm.
So screw. Some of these clips are in here.
Those came off of the.
Yeah, you can leave them in there, but sometimes when you push it back in, they fall out. So if you can get them out and put them back on here, I think it's better. If you can't, it's probably fine. You might lose one clip. That's pretty much it. That's filters.
That's it.
That's filters.
4 minutes and 26 seconds.
Oh, good. I think Tesla